While automotive recalls are fairly commonplace, Toyota's latest amounts to a sticky situation. The NHTSA has revealed some details surrounding the automaker's recent recall of 33,000 vehicles, and it's regarding a sticker. But it's an important one, they say. The sticker posts the vehicle's load carrying capacities, and for many popular models, the value listed is inaccurate. And while this may seem like a small issue, the agency's concerns lie with the fact that the error means the vehicles don't conform with federal motor vehicle safety standards. Not to mention, drivers could unknowingly overload their vehicles with cargo, increasing the risk of crash. The issue was discovered by a Toyota seller in Texas, and the NHTSA says the recall will hit at least some of nearly every model of vehicle Toyota sold in 2023 and 2024, including popular ones like the RAV4, Tacoma, and Prius. This is one of a handful of recalls undertaken by Toyota so far in 2024, though it's most certainly the simplest. Others have been related to welding, transmission issues, even airbags. And while this problem is being pinned on a quote, programming error, the fix is an easy one. Toyota will send you a new sticker. And if that's too much trouble, you can bring it into the dealership and they'll put it on for you. But come on, it's a sticker. I'm David Manti, this is Manufacturing Now.